Sir.
All right, my name is Right Honorable SKE Udeh Okoye. I am the National Secretary of PDP. The main reason why I'm here is to resume office. I'm resuming today, the 30th day of December, in obedience to the judgment of Appeal Court in Enugu that sacked the former National Secretary and made me the National Secretary of PDP. And why I came today is to, resume office and to also supervise the whole environment and make sure that things are in order. Yes, the Secretariat, the staff have gone for Xmas holidays to resume on the 13th day of January, when here will be filled up with our workers. I also wish them Merry Xmas and a prosperous New Year. I also appreciate the Governors Forum that are giving me support, the Ministers Forum, former Ministers Forum, the BOT, the members of the party, the leaders of the party from my zone who nominated me and stood by me, even though there are so many challenges before, but the court has fixed it and made a pronouncement on the 20th of December 2024. Thank you very much and God bless you.